Okay, we have not turned this on yet. Here's the light switch for the shower. Just turn the breaker on. Here's your Fanimation ceiling fan. Here I've got all the blades on there now, and I'm going to turn the switch on for the shower, and yes, that works. I'm going to turn this on, and it's working. It's going the wrong direction, and it's just this right here. I like to have it going the other direction, and there it goes. There we are. I've got this in high. Let's see here. That should be medium. And that should be low. All right. We got a little bit of a gap here. See, remember, I had about 4 inches to that wall right there. The reason why I put it where I did, there's roof joists up there, and that way I could put the pancake box in there and screw it right to the roof joist. The next joist was 16 inches over. That would have been too close to the wall. And I could have cut out the sheetrock and had to put a block up there and all that, and then I could have moved that exactly where I wanted. I could have done that, but it's okay where it's at. It's centered into the room because we've got the shower right here. And see where the blade is? Up to that wall. See that wall there? But it's down below the wall, see, by about 6 inches. We're fine with that. I'm happy. I'm happy. It's working nice. It's not wobbling or anything because we got the set screws up there. We've got the knuckle up tight, and that is our project. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more